Hello everyone, welcome to the Unplanned Way. In this video, we will be taking you along to Los Angeles, the center of the nation's film and television industry, located in the state of California in the United States. Los Angeles, often referred to as LA, is the largest city in California. Today, we will be visiting the top attractions in LA City. Best time to visit LA is from March to May and from September to November. You will find less crowds and average temperatures around this time.
I wake up, I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden, I don't look at
Our first spot was the iconic Hollywood sign. The Hollywood sign is one of the most famous landmarks in the world.
Just let me be me, and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this.
The word Hollywood is spelled out in 45-foot tall white capital letters and is 352 feet long. The sign was created in 1923 as an advertisement for a local real estate agency. You can drive near this sign or choose to hike to this famous landmark. The main airport in Los Angeles is LAX, located 18 miles from downtown. To get around in LA, we rented a car at the airport arrivals. Public transportation in LA is not as efficient and organized. Rental charges vary from company to company. Go for well-known brands like Hertz, Alamo, or Enterprise to avoid hassles. You can also use Uber and Lyft, but they could be a little expensive. Another important point is to use apps like ParkMe, ParkWiz, or Best Parking to get affordable parking deals. Next, we visited the Griffith Park Observatory. The Griffith Park Observatory, overlooking Los Angeles, offers excellent views of the downtown and the Hollywood sign. It features an excellent array of space and science-related displays. Admission to the observatory is free. Next, we drove to the Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills is one of the world's upscale places to live.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto North Carrollwood Drive.
While here, you can visit the Rodeo Street, which is famous for shopping and is full of designer stores and small private boutiques. The area is popular with wealthy shoppers, celebrities, and of course tourists. We could not resist visiting the Warner Bros. Studio that keeps on entertaining all of us. The Warner Bros. Studio is located about 15 miles from downtown LA. Their guided tours take you behind the scenes of one of the oldest film studios. You get to explore the sets that brought classic shows like The Big Bang Theory, La La Land, Friends, and many more to life. Photography inside the studio was not allowed. The ticket prices are $69 for adults and $59 for kids. As my husband is a hardcore soccer fan, he next drove us to the LA Galaxy Stadium. The Dignity Health Sports Park is the home of the star-studded LA Galaxy soccer team in the MLS. Opened in 2003, it is the largest soccer stadium in the United States.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
Can you guess who he is?
In my brain, all of a sudden I don't look at anything
Tell us in the comments below before we reveal his name. No cheating.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a
He is none other than the former Manchester United, Real Madrid, PSG, and England football star David Beckham.
No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay.
By the evening, we decided to head towards the Hollywood District. Hollywood District is a Los Angeles cultural icon with museums, landmarks, and other Hollywood attractions. This place is a lively experience in the evening. You will find Madame Tussauds and Hollywood Wax Museum where you can see lifelike figures of your favorite celebrities. Check it out for a one-of-a-kind Hollywood experience.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
There are a number of dining options here. Don't miss out on their Mexican cuisine. We ordered some nachos, quesadilla, and naked chicken burrito bowl with their world-famous guacamole. It was simply delicious. When in LA, how can one not visit the Walk of Fame? The Hollywood Walk of Fame features over 2,700 stars embedded in sidewalks along the Hollywood Boulevard. It includes a mix of actors, directors, musicians, fictional characters, and others.
Okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Opposite to the Walk of Fame, there is the Dolby Theatre. It is home of the Academy Award and one of the most technologically advanced and famous theatres in the world. And that was the city of LA through our lens. We hope you enjoyed this video. Did we miss any of your favorite spots in LA? Share with us in the comments below. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video where we are visiting LA and nearby beaches. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next video soon.
I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs